Hi learners, I am Thulasi. Welcome to Unify Study doing the KSET Paper 1 Complete Analysis Part 2. And in this video, we are going to get the answers for the DI, Mathematical Reasoning, Logical Reasoning. Along with that, in our Part 1 video, there are few learners made a review and comment that few answers are wrong and they are requested to check. So based on the critic, I thank the learners who have given their comments of the wrong answers. Thank you so much. I have corrected the answers and I rechecked again. So based on this 4 questions which I have given right, I have just changed the answer. Just do recheck, and also you will be getting answers for the DI and with explanation for logical reasoning and for MR. For all these things I have given with explanation. So learners, please kindly do watch for the answers. What are the elements of Aristotle model of communication? See, as this has been confused with the SMCR model. And here in Aristotle model, we have the source. So what I thought is the speaker source. In that way, that's why I gave this answer. So we have the source will be there and the message will be there. Whatever speech is making, right, that message will be there. And on an occasion, that person will, he or she will talk. And then here who will be there? There will be the audience will be there. And that there will be some kind of an effect will be there. So this is what it comes under the Aristotle model of communication. Based on this one, this 4th option will be the right answer. Next one, a question from NBA, National Body of Accreditation. So that connects with the accreditation of what? Here we have 2 things. One is the institution, another one is the programs. What are all the programs? Programs done in the technology, management, pharmacy, architecture and other technical disciplines. So those courses will be accredited by NBA. So not the institutions, it is the technical programs offered by that institutions. Okay, so it's technical program, technical education offered by that particular institution. So here this 4 can be the right answer. Here I have given the evidence also from National Board of Accreditation website. Individuals, courses and institutions are not accredited. NBA only aggregates the programs. So here they accreditates the program offered by that institution. Okay, right. Next question, a question from mathematical reasoning. This also, if A completes a work in A's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 24, B's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 6, C's 1 day's work is equal to 1 divided by 12. So what is the work of A plus, if they do together, what is the A by A, B, C's 1 day's work together? So we have to add 1 by 24, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. So when I do it, I'll be getting the LCM as 24. So 1 plus 4 plus 2. So that is equal to 7 divided by 24. 7 divided by 24 is together, they are 1 day's work. So here they have asked for the working together. They will complete the same work in how many days? This is 1 day's work. So in how many days, if you have to find out, means you have to do the reciprocate. So 24 divided by 7, that is equal to 3 by 7 means 21 plus 3 24. So 3 by 7 days is the right answer, right? Next one. Next question from reading comprehension. Here the question is on author lists out responsible for complexity of intellectual life in 19th century. So this is 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Right, so this is the answer. And the next one, this question from mathematical reasoning. Here the question is 1, 2, 3, A, 4 and B. This number is divisible by, should be divisible by 5 and 12. Then what is the addition of A and B? So if a number is divisible by 5 and 12 means it has to be divisible by the LCM of 5, 12 is 60. Right? 1, this is 12, again 12, this is 1, 1. So 60. So the number should be, this whole number should be divisible by 60. That is the meaning. Clear? So here what we have to do, if we take it individually also, then if a number divisible by 60 means just imagine the last digit. Definitely that number should be 0. Right? So 1, 2, 3, A, 4, 0. Okay? Definitely that number should be 0. So this is 0. Then you have to find out only the value of A. Find out the value of A. We can put the trial and error method. If I put means here it will comes 5 as the answer. So 1, 2, 3, 5 and 4. How to find out, ma'am? Either you can go with the division, or also I'll give you another method. If a number is divisible by 12 means it has to be divisible by 3 and also by 4. Okay. So we have to just add and we have to check it whether it is divisible by 3. 3 means it is 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 15. Okay. But it is also should be divisible by 4. So what we can do, where this 5 and then we have 0 over here. Okay, this 0 also we have to put. So 3 it is divisible. We have to check it for 4. 4 what happened here? It should be divisible by last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Yes, this is divisible by 4. So 5 will be the correct answer. We also check for 6 and 4 also. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 0. So this number should be divisible by 3 and also by 4. Check. For 3 what happened? Add all the number 10, 13, 13 plus 3, 16. No, it is not divisible. So 6 will not come. Then put 4 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0. So this one everything will be possible because last 2 digits will be divisible. But for 3 we have to add. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 it is 6, 10, 14. So here if I put 4 this will not be divisible. So only possibility is what? 5. 0 also if I try also it will not come because it will not be divisible by 3. Clear? So 3 it will not be divisible. 4 it will be divisible. So similarly here 3 it is not divisible. 4 it is divisible. Clear? Right? Here it is divisible both by 3 and also by 4. Clear? Let us write. So 3 what we have to do? Add all the numbers and check whether number is divisible by 3. For 4 what we have to do? Last 2 digits we have to take and it is divisible by 4 or not. Okay? Right. Very good. Right answer here for this question is 5 is the right answer. So these are the questions I have made correction. And this question, a thief is spotted by a policeman standing from a distance of 100 meters. When a policeman starts the chase, the thief also starts running. The speed of the thief is 8 km per hour and that of a policeman 10 km per hour. Then how far the thief should have to be run before he is overtaken? The police wants to overtake means how far he has to run far. That is the question. So here what we have to do is the distance is equal to 100 meters. The thief spotted by a policeman from a distance is 100 meters. And next the speed of the thief is what? The speed of the thief is 8 km per hour and the speed of the policeman is 10 km per hour. Okay, 10 km per hour. Now we have to find out the relative speed between the thief and the police. So the relative speed is nothing but what? 10 minus 8 km per hour. These two. So that is equal to 2 km per hour. So here the distance was being given in meter per second. So we have to convert into meter per second. As we all know, right? How to convert to meter per second? See, kilometer per hour. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So when I cancel, I will getting 5 by 18. So what is the relative speed here? So 2 into 5 divided by 18. That is equal to 5 by 9 meter per second. Clear? 5 divided by 9 meter per second. Clear? Right? Next one, the time taken by the police to overtake the thief. So what we have to do now, the distance between the thief and the police is 100 meters. So what he has to do, what is the distance, time between them? So 100 into 599. So that is equal to 500 divided by 9. Right? 500, 1 minute. We have to find out the time, right? So what's the formula for time? So time is equal to distance is equal to meter per second. Meter per second is the speed. So I want to find out the time. So right. So distance divided by the speed. Distance divided by the speed. So what is the distance? 100 meters. What is the speed? 5 divided by 9. So this 9 goes up here. So 100 divided by 5 into 9. So that is equal to 180 second. Ma'am, what is this 180 second, ma'am? That is the time taken by the police to overtake the thief. So if the police wants to overtake the thief means he has to go 180 seconds. So and then the distance travelled by the thief in that 180 seconds is. So that is what this one. Okay. So what we have to do, then that distance is equal to, the thief should not be overtaken. What he has to do, 180. 180 is the time taken into the what is the speed of him, it is 8, and into, we have to convert it here into kilometer. So what we have to do here, into 18 by 5, 18 by 5 by 18, 5 by 18, right? So 8, 5 by 18, because it is given in kilometer per hour. I want to find it in meter per second. So 8 into 5 by 18. So if I cancel, what I'll be getting? I'll be getting 10. So that is equal to 400 meters. Understood? So what is this 8 into 5 by 18? Here the 8 is the speed of the thief. And this 5 by 18 is the converting to meter per second. So now I'll be getting 400 meters. But here everything is given in kilometer. For that, what I have to do? I have to convert this meter to kilometer. So what I have to do? I have to divide simply by 400 divided by 1000. 0, 0 get cancelled. 2 times 5 times. So the right answer for this question is 2 by 5 kilometer. The right answer is 2 by 5 kilometer. Am I clear? Yes, very good. Moving to the next question on board. Blood relation. If A and B are said to be brothers. So I put plus for male, and they are brothers. So I put an arrow like this. And C is the sister of A. So C is there and she is the sister. I put minus over here. And D is the sister of E. So we don't know who is being related to D. So wait. And then E is the daughter of B. So here is B and he is the daughter of B. Please mind about the generation. This of same generation, this of next generation down. So E is the, then here see, D is the sister of E. So D is having a that sister and she is that. So we can put like this. D is the sister of E. D is the sister of E. Okay. Then who is the uncle of D? Who is the uncle? He is the male, right? So A is the male. C is the auntie. B is the father. Okay, right. Now the right answer is A. Next, this question from logical reasoning. Here we have a P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. 8 people are there and they have made it into 2 groups. Group 1, Group 2. They have made some restriction. Based on these restrictions, we have to form that group. What is the first one? P must be in the same group in which T is. P and T should be in the same group. Very good. Neither Q nor R can be in a group in which V is. So, where V should not be there, where Q and R is there. So, we cannot put Q or R in another group. So, both should be there because in that group, V should not come. Okay. Then V will not come here. So, we can put V over here. U cannot be in the group in which R and S are. So, R and S, where we have R and S, there we should not have U. So, what we have to do, hence R is here, we have to put U here. So, R and S, U should not be there, right? So, I can put S over here. Then next one, W and U cannot be in the same group. As U is here, then we can put W over here. So, we have identified the 2 groups. Now, we have to follow the groups which are true. R is in the group G2. Check it out. R is in group G2. Okay, we don't know which one is group 1 and group 2, but okay, it is here. U, V, P and T are in the group 2. As they have clearly mentioned, U, V, T and P are in the group 2. This belongs to group 2. Then if it is group 2 means this will be group 1, right? So R is in group 2, no, R is in group 1. So this is wrong. We can eliminate U, V, P and T in a group 2. Okay, it is right. Then S is in the group 2. No, S is in the group 1. We can eliminate. S and T are in the group 1. S is there in group 1, but T is there in group 2. So we can eliminate this. So the right answer is option 2 is the right answer. Next question from logical reasoning. Some tins are round. See, there are some tins which are said to be round. And this is tin. And this is round. Clear? And here there some cups are round. So I put here, this is cups. So I can put this as a common area and this is called a There are some cups which are round in shape. Now we have to conclusion as to be followed. Some tins are cups. No direct relationship between the tin and the cup, so this we can eliminate. All the round things are either tins or cups. No, only some of them are tins or cups, not all the round. So we can eliminate this. Some tins are rectangular. There is no term called a rectangular. We can eliminate this. Some cups are flat. Some cups are flat. No term is flat. So we can eliminate this. So none of the conclusion follows here. Next question from direction sense test. So there is a person called Rohan and he is standing here from this point, and this point he is moving towards north. So north he is moving here for 30 meters and then he turns towards his right. This is the right side, right? He walks for 30 meters again. Okay. And then from here he again turns right side and then walks for 50 meters. So 50 meters he walks here. So this is 50 meters. And from this side again he turns to his right and walks for 30 meters. Right? 30 meters here. So what is the question? In which direction he is and what distance he is from the starting point? So as this is the starting point, from this point this should be 20 meters. Why? See, because this is 30 meter. Okay. This is 30 meter. And the whole one is 50. So definitely this should be 20. This should also be 20. 20 meters, and this is, as it is north, means this will be south. Option 2 is the right answer. Next one, this question I have a doubt because according to me this first point will follow. One will follow. But blood donors should be attracted by providing a monetary incentive. Sometimes it will be wrong. It will become wrong. Okay. More and more private banks should be encouraged. This also I am not very sure about it. Okay. So this question I am not sure. So we need to wait for the official answer key. Next one. The question from mathematical reasoning. The ratio of ages of father and son is at present 19:5. As we have told, ratio means x should be a common parameter will be there. 5x. After 4 years, this is at present. This is at present. After 4 years, what happened? That is 19x plus 4. 5x plus 4, their ratio becomes 3:1. So just we have to calculate in this way. So 19x plus 4, that is equal to 15x plus 12. Cross multiply, exchange of things. For 19x minus 15x is equal to 12 minus 4. So this is 4x and this is equal to 8. So x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So if what's the question? The present age is sum of father and son. This is the present age, right? Now to substitute the value of 2 over here, then I'll be getting 38 the father's age and 10 as the son's age. When I add, I'll be getting 48. Clear? Yes, very good. Next problem. And this is a question again from reasoning. I have made the solvation. See here. Only for this option, the solvation will come as 4 equal to 4. For all other things, it will not come. So here the option 1 is the right answer. Next question. QR code. I left this problem when I was doing the first part 1. Here it is using ICT. This is quick response code. Next one, a question from DI. Only one question from DI. I don't know. KSET also does not like DI. I hope so. Okay. Right. So total number of students in a school is 3,600. They have given a pie chart. They have asked you to find out the total number of students doing stitching and drama class together. So stitching and drama class together, we can say 13 plus 11 equal to 24%. So we have to find out the number of people here. So 24 divided by 100 into 3,600, that's total number of students studying in that school. So when I calculate, cancel the zeros, right? So 24 into 36. 4 carry to 144, 12 carry 172. So 4, 6, 8. So 864 is the right answer for this question. Right? Very good. And next question from probability. Here in tossing an unbalanced coin, a probability of getting in head is 2 times the probability of getting a tail. So then which of the following is true? As they have given the probability of getting a tail, we don't know. So we put it as x. Probability of getting a head is 2 times of probability of getting a tail. So 2 times of probability of getting a tail. Okay. As we all know, probability always have the number 1. Will be equal to 1. So probability is equal to 1. So what we have to do? We have to add 2 of x. How many x comes? P of t is equal to x, right? So 2 of x plus x, that is equal to 1. So when I add 3x is equal to 1, so x is equal to 1 divided by 3. So what is this 1 divided by 3? Probability of getting a tail is 1 by 3. So what we have to find, see here, probability of getting a tail is 1 by 3 we have found out. What about the head? Simply we have to substitute in this formula. This is formula number 1, we have to substitute. So P of h we don't know. P of h is equal to 1 by 3, plus is equal to 1. So the P of h is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. So that is equal to 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. So probability of getting in it is 2 by 3, by tail is 1 by 3. Clear? Yes. Next question from again reasoning. Say this A is the clerks and this B is the graduates and C is the government employees. Okay, and then some graduates are government employees but not clerks. So this is clerk. This first circle, this circle is said to be clerk. So who does not comes in that circle, we call it as graduates and government employees. So only this F comes in the graduate and also in the government employee. So F is the right answer for this question. I hope I have given all the answers for 50 questions from KSET paper 1. Thank you so much for relying on Unify Study that we give the right answers. Thank you so much, and I also rectified it. Like the session and share with your friends so that it will be useful for analysis. Why I gave deep analysis is to understand the concepts. That's why we gave the deep analysis, so that it will be useful for your net examination also. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not watched the part 1 means, please kindly do watch the part 1 also. Thank you so much. Tata, bye bye.